Today we're off in West Des Moines, Iowa for the Valley Community Center's car show. We're going to start today's highlights off with this Auburn Boattail Speedster, I guess is what I would consider it. It is a second gen, so it would have been manufactured in probably 70s or 80s, but still a nice looking car with some great classic lines. Next up we have this great looking Chevy Truck from the early 50s. Nice color on this truck, and the wheels sure do set off a different look. Sitting down on the ground, definitely different. This 30s Ford Hot Rod sure turns heads with those pink flames on that white car, but clean look. Got a Chevy motor under the hood, but I'm sure she'll still run down the road just fine. We'll stick with the Ford Hot Rods with this, looks like 35 Ford Sedan. It's a nice looking car. Don't know for sure what we got for power plant, but I'm sure whatever it is, it's a great looking car. We got another one of those Chevy trucks from the early 50s. This one's black. Love the trunk and the bed. Good looking truck. Nash Metropolitans are kind of unusual. You don't see very many of them, although they're more common than some might think. I think there were a couple to show today, but this one is a nice occasion. Really like this early 50s Ford Convertible here. Don't know if it's completely original, but looks kind of original with the old flathead under the hood. Looks like maybe it's been shaved of some emblems and a more modern paint job and interior, but still a nice looking car. Another Ford Hot Rod here. This one looks like maybe it's a 32, but it might be a little earlier than that. 5-window coupe. Nice looking car. Next up we got a 55 Chevy Bel Air. Nice looking car here in this orange and white, almost cream color. A nice looking car. Next up we're going to go with a Pontiac here with the 65 GTO. Nice looking car. Paint color is nice. Interior appears to be maybe aftermarket or recover anyway in a recent, more modern pattern. But great looking car no matter what. Got another Chevy truck here, this time a 57. From the outside it looks kind of original, but definitely got a more modern interior and small black Chevy under the hood. Sticking with Chevy team here, we're looking at a late 50s, I believe, Corvette. It's a clean looking car. Don't see too many of them where the cove is the same color as the body. Usually it's a two-tone, but this is an interesting one with a single paint color. Next up we have this nice looking like a Chevy Hot Rod here from the probably late 20s or early 30s, but it's a nice looking vehicle and definitely different